He ruled Bihar for a decade and a half and was a force to reckon with in the power corridors of New Delhi. But after today's guilty verdict, Lalu Prasad Yadav faces an uphill battle for political survival. He may have tried every trick in the book to avoid justice. However, post the conviction, Lalu Prasad finds himself completely isolated.
Lalu Prasad's body language gave it away minutes before announcement on verdict in one of the most high-profile political cases in India. As expected, the court pronounced him guilty.
Lalu Prasad Yadav has been held guilty under criminal conspiracy under the Indian Penal Code as well as under Prevention of Corruption Act that has held him guilty for criminal misconduct. Under both the sections, now that he has been convicted, he will be sentenced to jail. We are being told it probably is Birsa Munda jail that's nearby from here where he would be taken. The second thing is he would clearly be losing his parliamentary seat.
A checkered political career may finally come to a close as Lalu faces a minimum jail term of 3 years. Many claim the verdict to be a turning point in Indian politics.
There is a corruption charge which has been proved. As much as Lalu is charged and convicted, so is Jagannath Mishra of the Congress. That Congress in this case is equally charged as much as RJD. So let them not sit and watch as though it's all Lalu Prasad's matter.
This is not a time to look at political consequences purely from the mechanical arithmetic of electoral consequences. This is the time to see this judgment as a tonic for the Indian political system.
Meanwhile, the RJD continues to insist that its party will not be affected by the verdict.
That the political ramification, we don't see anything adversely impacting RJD. You know, RJD, in fact, it is grounded. Unlike other political parties who have more of leaders and less of followers or less of cadre or less of support base, our case is the entirely opposite.
RJD's long-term ally, the Congress party, too welcomed the court verdict.
देखिए, ये एक न्यायिक प्रक्रिया है और न्यायिक प्रक्रिया के ऊपर हम लोग कोई प्रतिक्रिया देना सही नहीं समझते हैं। और जैसे हम लोग हमेशा कहते हैं कि न्याय की अपनी प्रक्रिया को बगैर किसी रोक टोक के चलने दिया जाना चाहिए और उसके ऊपर न्यायिक प्रक्रिया के ऊपर हम अपनी कोई प्रतिक्रिया नहीं देना चाहेंगे।
Supporters and onlookers thronged the special CBI court in Ranchi as a 17-year-old case came to a close, signaling the end of Lalu Yadav's political career. Bureau Report, Times Now.